myself. I sneaked out of bed Christmas night. What I saw then nearly scarred me for life. Santa Claus was going to town. It's your choice. You've been warned.
You're getting a few touch from the very jump.
Come again.
Jesse's been demanding this song all week.
That's right.
Well, I sneaked out of bed Christmas night. What I saw then nearly scarred me for life. Santa Claus was going to town. Well, I could see him, but he couldn't see me as he was shagging my mum beneath the Christmas tree.
We were warned.
Have you been a good girl? Santa Claus said mom was down on her knees, just a nodding her head. I told you. I promised something special. That's what I heard him say. If you be a bad girl for Santa tonight, I'll be good for you Christmas Day. Oh, he might be old and he might be fat. Come on, you should not back an offer like that. Santa Claus is going town. Mom brought him a beer and he rested for a while. And he spun her around, did a puppy dog style. Now this part of the tape was kind of garbled, so you'll have to fill in the last bit of the verse because I couldn't make it out. I can't wait to see on Christmas Day what Santa brings to Mum, because he said he'd promise her anything if she... I don't get it. Not backing off like that.
We get the gist.
To town. Can't wait to see what Dad has to say when he sees Mom's present.